Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara, and today we're going to actually be closing out my last paycheck of July. I got so far ahead in August, my budget, pre-plan. Girl, I forgot as I got my checks today that I was like, girl, you didn't even close out the last check of July. And it's so funny how routines become so habitual that I'm like, I can't actually move on. I can't move on until I do this one thing. Sir, with that being said, let's go ahead, Grateful Gang, and let us close out July. So let's start around here because this 1480 was the last thing we moved into our Freedom Fund last time. And welcome if you're new. Hey, how you doing? Hit the subscribe button, the like button, comment down below if you like after you finish watching the video and decide whether you like me or not. So judgy here. My God. Okay, and so Navy Federal gets $10, comes out. Here it is. The $10 did come out. Now, the way that this works for me is everything that I mark in a green color means that it cleared the bank. The goal here when I'm closing out my account is that everything is marked in green, meaning that everything cleared the bank. That is what we're doing. If you're new here, if you're an OG Grateful Gang member, you already know what's up, okay? You know what's up. Okay, sorry. 233.50 is the second half of our car payment, so that'll be under our debt section. Debt. There it is. 233.50 has cleared the bank. 1312.65 is the mortgage, and that has also cleared the bank. That is the mortgage for August, so we're all paid up and good to go. No worries there. Let's talk about this Cash App real quick. 353. You guys. The way that I am like my mama in this way, and I don't know if anybody else's mother is like this, where they stash money everywhere and then forget it, set it and forget it. This money was in my Cash App. As you can see, this $353. And as I was trying to figure out my birthday plans, I was like, girl, you got money in Cash App. And $353 at that. But let me tell you how deep is our love? How deep this goes back, because I have a page for here because I wanted to make sure I gave everybody that gave me that 353 their flowers. Okay, so you're gonna just give me a couple seconds, maybe a minute or two, to shout out the people that I love and that I truly appreciate, and I'm grateful for. First off, starting from the bottom, now we're here. Okay, on 11/22 of 2025. This money been sitting there since 2025, y'all. 11/22/2025. This is a belated birthday gift, late but not forgotten. That was from my girl Bunny from Hopping Over the Budget with Bunny, who knows different ways to save money. And I'll make sure all the people that have channels are linked down in the description. She sent me $38. Okay. And then my girl Clarissa from 12/24/25. Okay. Merry Christmas, Tara. She sent me $25. Clarissa, shout out to you. You can find her over at Coffee and Budgets. Merry Christmas, Bunny Troopers. For my girl Hopping the Budget with Bunny again, she sent me $10 as a Christmas gift on 12/25. Alondra M. Babes, recovery blessing. 214. This is when I was in surgeries and y'all know the rigmarole, getting the health fixed and the recovery blessing of $100. Shout out to you, Alondra. If I messed it up, I feel like we had this conversation on IG. And then so I reached out to all these people when this happened to me, but I just left the money sitting there. Then 3/8, we're finally up to 2026. So 2/14 was 2026, the first 2026. Then March 8th, 2026, I got something from, I think this is JB, so I'm not gonna say your whole name, but Janelle over at JB's 2 cents for $50. It says get well. Thank you, ma'am. Another channel lover, love her. Check her out down below. And then 3/11/2026, just because T sent me, that is Life with T. And T sent me $75. Also another channel you really need to check out. And again, on 6/1, I want a giveaway from T, Life with T, $55. It says congratulations giveaway. I'm wealthy now. I'm wealthy now. So either way, thank you all so much for the love and support over the years. Like, I put the money there, or when things come in Cash App, I don't always have Cash App open on my phone. So it's not something that immediately is like, oh, you got money over there. No, I don't be knowing. So I'm so grateful that it was there. So I took the Cash App money and I moved it right and Zelled it to myself over an Ally. So I put it in the just for me category or something over an Ally. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much, all of you wonderful people. And thank you all. I know everybody can't send money. And that, like I said, has been over the years, literally. But and more people that were before that I've cashed out. But I'm just saying, thanks for watching my videos. I appreciate that too, because that helps my views and getting me money for AdSense. So appreciate you guys as well. Next, we have $2.90. Let's get back to the budget. $2.99 was my Apple payment. So Apple Store is actually $2.99, not $3. I shouldn't have rounded up in the first place, but we can go ahead and mark that in green. And that came out. And $45. This guy is the one who did my lawn work. He does my lawn. So that's $45 we did. Put $45 out for him. Where is it? Is the question. I think it was like an other. Why don't I see it? Oh, it's right there. I don't know why I marked it off over here. Or was it over here? No. I don't know why it's marked off over here, but we definitely just sent it to him on the 45. The recently. That's kind of weird. I hope that doesn't throw me off. So it goes in, so it goes out. What? It goes out and in. Oh, that's okay, because it kind of zeroes each other out because I paid it to him. So okay, cool. And then we had 7 cents of, because I'm like, it's zero here, but it's 7 cents of monthly interest. We're gonna put that in side income because we weren't planning to get any. So we'll, hey, thank you, interest. 0.07. Okay, and then we will add a comment. That was our interest for July. Boom. Hello, phone. How are you? And then I took $300. Oh, I took $700 out of the ATM. So 300, 300, 100, 300, 600, $700. And that was for my variables. And that also included the month ahead money. So 140 will come out of that. And it says I added $560. Oh, I moved $560 because I took out $460 for my variables. So my variables are here, or not this month. The variables that I would have taken out for June, for July, I moved that money out and I took it out along with the month ahead money. And that's why I don't think I need to allocate all of those out. It should still work out. Then I got $30. Why do I have $30? Why is it $30? Okay, so I moved $30 in from Gym Vibes to pay for the gym, but I didn't actually pay for the gym because when I went on Saturday, they ended up not being there on Saturday. They started Monday and I didn't go Monday. So I'm going this Saturday. So I actually did not use the $30. I guess I should put that I moved the $30 already and then it will roll, but it's already showing over here. So I don't want it to roll twice. I don't know how that's going to work out. Okay. All right. So what I'll do is I will remove the 30 from here because technically I already moved the 30. This is August. I already moved the 30 over, right? And then I'm going to add the 30 in here that I transferred over $30 more and $30 for the gym for August. Let's see if this works out, girl. We just thinking on the fly at this point, okay? Hoping that it all works out. I know. Okay. And then $10 I moved in because I wanted to do Cash App. Girl, after I moved out the Cash App this long, I was like, girl, you should have just left $10 in there. But I left Cash App out so I could Cash App giving. I told y'all in my birthday month, I like giving. So I gave somebody else something because I wanted to. And that's where this goes in and out. So I don't have to, whatever. And then $16 came out for here for the trash sewer. and that can be green. Okay, and we got our check. But hold on, you guys, 1 second. 1 second. Okay, yes, thanks for holding. So, and you'll see that over here at the top, I made a credit card payment for my saver, which has the $10 Weight Watchers fee on it. So this is going to stay blue because it hasn't technically been done, but to close it out, we're going to move it out over to this next check over here, and we're going to zero that out. We're going to, because it'll clear the next time per se that we close out. And let's make this, just reset that. Let's see if anything else is in green. And another thing I don't want to forget, when I mentioned the giving of the Cash App, I was like, girl, we got to do the giveaway for the book. And I'm going to do it now on this video so that I don't forget. But let's just make sure we have everything else zeroed out. I mean, green. Green. This freaking $50. Oh my gosh. Okay. I still ain't called these people. I don't want to talk about it. Okay. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. I am not stressing. It's August and it's my birthday and I do what I want to, but I do need to call these people on the real. Although I thought I got worried because I was like, oh, the deal for the double the payment is gone like August, early August. But then I got another email saying it was good until September, which wasn't good because it just helped me push it back more. Looking for green. Okay, $80 HVAC. This is only red because I wanted to talk about it, but this actually is green because we did move that money. All right, I think everything is green, and we have $90.08 of a balance. So, and I need that. I need that to stay that way. So, let's do. Is this a formula? No, it's not. Okay. So let's do, and I know Monique, you said something about this, but we're gonna have to talk about this at another time. We have to talk about it again. Okay, so we have 9008. So not 29008, and you see that changed up here. It automatically changes right here. And it's at a zero-based budget now. And that's because we had the $50 move, the $30 move, so those extra monies, and the $10 move that you see over here. But did I move everything? There's the $10 and there's the $30 for the gym. Oh, but I changed the note, but I didn't change this because I'm like, this should still kind of equal out. Okay, 16 cents. Okay, that makes sense. 16 cents. Some change somewhere. Which we're not even going to worry about the 16 cents, honestly, y'all. Not going to worry about the 16 cents. We'll figure out the 16 cents when we get the next check because that's probably just some difference of like the Apple and like different bills that came in a little bit under. That's not a big deal. But for July's last paycheck, we have everything in green and everything has gone down to a zero-based budget. We're done with that. Amen, amen, amen. So now that we come to the end, hopefully you've made it this far, and we will go ahead and pick our giveaway winners for the most basic emergency fund book. Let's go over here. And it was on this August 2026 budget video. So we're going to go to edit. Oh, no, we're not. We're going to go to TubeBuddy. Then we're going to go to pick a winner and choose from must contain the words. It was hashtag most rude. Okay. Why can't I type? Listen, now is not the time. Most basic EF. Ooh. Pick a winner. No way! What's up, Melton? He gives me such good advice. I love him. Hey, everyone! D Melton 5583. I complete my budget by quarter. I was so impressed by this. I complete my budget by quarter, so August is done. I also have started rounding up my payments. Those cents add up, especially in debt. I like round numbers. I like round numbers too, but babe, I with this trying to get a month ahead type of thing, I just keep doing exact so more money can go to my month ahead. But I love your process, and I love that you budget by quarter. That would be so dope. And he hashtag most basic EF, and I see now it doesn't matter whether it was lowercase or uppercase because it just found the words. So D Melton, hit me up. I will respond to you, let you know you won down on this comment. But with my email address, I will hit you up. Please answer me. I know you watch because I've seen your comments many a times. So please answer me and let me know. And if anything, I'll do another little post and just say that you won. So shout out to you. I'm so glad. I love when it's like somebody I already know. All right, guys. So that is today's July closeout. I'll probably be back tomorrow with our budget. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you've got to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. I love you. Mean it. Bye.